In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a ham and cheese sandwich. Learning to make a ham and cheese sandwich can be really beneficial to you for a variety of reasons. One being that it is really easy to make. It can take 5 minutes or less, and all ingredients are readily available at your local grocery store. Making a ham and cheese sandwich is also relatively cheap. The ingredients, with the exception of produce, can also last about 2 weeks in your fridge, so they are inexpensive and can last quite some time. Ham and cheese sandwiches are also customizable, which means you can make them using anything you'd like. There are so many types of bread, cheese, ham, and vegetables that you can add to your sandwich, making it your own. They are also great for sack lunches. Just put it in a baggie or wrap it up with a paper towel and add it to your lunch bag. The things you will need to make a ham and cheese sandwich are a plate or napkin for your workspace, sliced bread, which can be any kind you want. White, wheat, whole grain, it's your choice. You also need sliced ham and sliced cheese, again, any kind you want. You also will need your favorite condiments if you want to add those as well. Another optional thing you will need is a toaster. Some people like to toast their bread so that their sandwich is warm, and you can do this as well. Step 1 is to grab your plate or napkin and lay it flat on your kitchen countertop. This will ensure that your space remains clean and your sandwich doesn't lay on your surface. Step 2 is to grab 2 slices of your sliced bread. This is where you can toast your bread if you would like to. If you don't, just place your 2 pieces of bread flat on your plate side by side. Step 3 is to grab as many pieces of ham as you want on your sandwich. 3 or 4 is a good number. On one piece of bread, place 1 piece of ham on top of the bread. Grab another piece of ham and place it on the first piece of ham we just laid down. And continue doing this until you reach the desired amount of ham for your sandwich. Step 4 is to add your cheese. Grab 1 slice of cheese and place it on top of the ham in your sandwich. Step 5 is an optional stage because this is where you can add your condiments and vegetables. You can use ketchup, mustard, pickles, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, or any other condiment that you may choose. Place the condiments on 1 piece of bread, preferably the one with nothing on it, and your vegetables on the piece of bread with the ham and cheese. This will ensure that your vegetables won't fall off the sandwich when completing the next step. Step 6 is the last step to making your sandwich. Place the bread with nothing on it, or the one with just your condiments, on top of the bread consisting of your ham, cheese, and optional vegetables. Make sure the condiments are facing downward towards the ham, cheese, and vegetables. That way when you hold it, you won't get them all over you. And that is it. Now you know how to create a ham and cheese sandwich. You can use this recipe for anything you would like, and you can also serve it with different sides. You can eat it with chips, crackers, vegetables, fruits, or any of your favorite snacks. I hope you really enjoy your sandwich.